Students, let us see how to analyze this poem. That means how to write critical appreciation of this poem. First point is poem and poet. The poem Bees is written by William Shakespeare, who is a world-renowned poet and playwright. His work have been adapted in many languages across the globe. And second point is theme or central idea. Here, the theme is the organized, disciplined lives of bees with death penalty to those who do nothing has been clearly mentioned. Third point is tone. If you see the tone of this poem, it is reflective and serious, and it shows admiration for the organization of the bees. And next one is, fourth point is structure and stanzas. If you see the lines of this poem, there are no separate stanzas. You can't separate between the stanzas, and lines of the poem are also unequal length. And the poem has no distinct stanzas and the lines are irregular in length, that means unequal length, and it gives the poem a non-uniform structure. Then fifth point is rhyme and rhythm. The poem also does not have a rhyme scheme as it is written in a free verse format. That means here no rhyme scheme or rhythm and it is written in free verse. Language and imagery. The language used here is Old English, and vivid descriptive images of the activities of the bees have been mentioned beautifully here. That means you can see the various activities from collecting the nectar, building the honeycomb, converting nectar from honey, carrying the nectar, distributing honey. Everything is given in a systematic manner, and the image comes to our mind when we read this poem. Then figures of speech. Main figures of speech which we can find in this poem are alliteration, hyperbole, image inversion, metaphor, repetition, onomatopoeia, personification, and simile. I am going to give one example of simile here. Others like merchants venture trade abroad. Here, the bees are directly compared to the merchant. And next point is my favorite lines. If you ask me which is my favorite line, I will say that so work the honeybees, creatures that by rule in nature teach the art of order to a people kingdom. These first two lines tells the total theme or central idea of this poem. Here Shakespeare says that he calls honeybee creatures that teach the art of order to human beings. And in fact, human beings consider that we are superior than all other living things. We can control the whole world. But it is not like that. Even the insects like human beings also, the insects like honeybees also lead a systematic and organized life, which we can learn many things from these bees. That is clearly mentioned here. And you can write your own favorite lines and you can give explanation properly. And the last point is why I like or dislike the poem. Shakespeare's poems are very beautiful. They describe nature. Here, the life of the bees have been explained. So, I like this poem, the language used here, and how, in which manner he compared to the life of human beings to the life of these bees, and the activities of the bees have been clearly described by giving the names to different bees very beautifully. Merchants, magistrates, then judge, king, mason, soldiers, etc. Direct comparison has been done between human life and the life and activities of the bees. In this way, you can write critical appreciation of the poem and learn it. Thank you.